Introducing the new 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40V Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average of 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40V Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY 4500. The 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.
The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor, delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws.
Real. Pro. Power. Introducing the Greenworks Pro Cordless 18-inch chainsaw, powered by the 80V Max battery system. Our industry-leading 80V battery system delivers unbelievable torque and power to cut through even the toughest jobs, all with zero emissions and none of the hassles of gas. This chainsaw is designed pro tough with a metal wraparound handle, steel bucking spikes, and electronic chain brake to keep you safe. Every Greenworks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance equivalent to a 45cc gas-powered chainsaw. There's no job this saw can't handle. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80V power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life. This is Greenworks Pro. Endless power, zero emissions.
Less fuel, lower emissions.